We know that video content is now one of the best ways to get a message out to your audience and attract more traffic to your business. And we also know stock footage can easily take your videos to a whole new level in a fraction of time. But sometimes tracking down free stock footage and correctly using it can be complex. This is why today we're providing you the top 5 best royalty-free footage sites full of thousands of free videos for editing where you'll be sure to find what you need. Hello there, welcome to this brand new video. I'm Lucy from Online Income Success, and in this video I'm going to show you the 5 best free stock video footage websites and how to correctly use their content to get the most out of each site. Make sure you watch every second of this entire video all the way to the end because you will be receiving crucial information for every mentioned site. And go below this video to hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell because we provide the best videos every single week on how to make money online. Also remember to drop a like on this video if you enjoy this content. With all that done, we're now ready to jump straight into our countdown. Starting at number 5 is Nature Stock Videos. You won't find the largest amount of free footage on this site, but you will surely find a stunning 4K resolution collection of nature videos, rivers, waterfalls, beaches, and more. If you need a great background video for your website, or if you're making, for example, relaxation and meditation videos, Nature Stock Videos is a great place to get your free stock footage. You can find the content by categories, or you can use the search feature located at the top right corner of the website and write down the keyword for the clip that you're looking for. For example, let's look for water clips. And here we have the search results related to water. As you see, each video has a brief description of its content, and when you find the one you like, you can just click over the video to get the page with the video and all of its details. Now you can preview the video by clicking over this YouTube icon, and beneath the video you can get all of the details including the size of the file, the codec, the frames per second, the Mbps, the resolution, and the format. Now, if we scroll down more, you can get a more detailed description of the video, including the license specifications. For example, this video is under the Creative Commons Zero license, which means that you can use this video in any editing software on your websites, advertising, social media, and any other video sharing sites for both commercial and personal use. And a link to Nature Stock Videos is appreciated but is not required. Now, I suggest that you read through this information for any video that you like to download from this website. Or you can also scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and find more information in this license information link, where it basically says that you can download for free all of the videos because they fall under the Creative Commons Zero license. And finally, if you like the video, you can just scroll down and find the green download button below the video. Click on it and it will download the video file directly into your computer. Moving forward on our list, for number 4 we have VDC. VDC has tons of beautiful HD and 4K videos in many categories for you to choose from that are royalty free for personal and commercial use. They also offer pro content that costs money. Not all of their clips are licensed under CC0, so make sure to click license info for each individual clips page to find out how you can use it. Now, on VDC you can find the content you want in many different ways. You can browse the newest, you can browse by category, or you can use the very effective search option to find the specific footage that you like. For example, let's search for water videos again. Now you can see that VDC got almost 6,000 royalty-free stock videos matching the search term water. It also gives you different related keywords which you can click on to refine your search. Now on the left side of the website you can find different options to sort your results by. Now on most of these websites you'll find sponsored videos by different paid websites on the top part of the results, but you'll get the free option underneath those. The downside of this page is that to preview the video you'll have to click over it. So let's try this one for example. Click on it and you'll get the option to preview the video and get different information about the license and the video. So you can see the file format, the resolution, and the frames per second. Now you can click on the license info link to get the details on the license for this specific video. Now this VDC standard license is the most common type of license for free footage. It lets you use this file for free for personal and commercial use, but you must give attribution in one of the following ways, whether it's mentioning vdc.com in the credits or just copying and pasting this following HTML code on your website. And you can also pay for this footage to be able to remove the attribution requirement. Now, to download this file, we can close this window and click on this free download button on the right side of the page. If you're not a paid user, you will have to deal with the ads before downloading the video. Now, after a few downloads, you'll be asked to register for a free account. But after you have your account, you can download as many files as you want. Now, for our third place on this countdown for the best stock video sites for royalty-free stock footage, we have Videvo. And real quick before we get into this, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure that you give it a thumbs up to help out with the YouTube algorithm. Videvo offers thousands of stock footage and motion graphics for you to choose from, which are created every day by their community members. In return, they request that users give them a shoutout on social media, although this isn't mandatory. The content in Videvo's library carries some restrictions, so check carefully before you download any clip. Now, most of the videos you'll find here are in HD, and they have a small selection of 4K videos. Here, they also offer paid or premium video clips. Now, to search for the content that you want, we must first off scroll all the way to the top of the page and click on the video option. And to get the free clips, you can come to this filter options on the right side of the page and click on show all clips and select free clips. Below the commonly sponsored images, you'll get the results for all of the free clips. Now you can also filter by resolutions, license, and choose different sort options like popular, random, or newest. Now, something really cool about this website is that you can preview the video by only moving your mouse over the thumbnail. Now, to be able to download the clip and see more details about the file, you can click over the thumbnail and it will take you to this page, where below the video you can find the duration, the resolution, and if you click on show more, you'll get the file size, the aspect ratio, the frame rate, and the format. Also, on the left side of the video, you can find the license and usage specifications. For example, this clip is royalty-free and you can use it in all of your projects and media. Now, to get even more information, you can click on the link Learn More. And you'll be taken to a new page where you get a full guide on how to use each and every one of this website's footage. As you see, it has three main types of license. So the first one is what they call royalty-free license. This is basically Creative Commons Zero, but you are not allowed to re-upload the clip anywhere else. The next one is the Videvo Attribution License. This is the same as the previous one, only here you must credit the author of the clip. And the last one is the standard Creative Commons 3.0, which basically means that you are also required to give attribution, but with this one, you can distribute the clip and upload the clip with no editing or in its original form anywhere you like. Now, when you find a video that you like and you understand what you're required to do under that license, you can click on the right side green free download button, and the file will be automatically downloaded into your computer. Closing in at number 2 is Pixabay. Pixabay offers over 1 million images and videos, all released under the Creative Commons Zero license, which is great because you don't have to worry about getting permission or giving credit to the artist to use or modify the content, even if you're using it for commercial purposes. So Pixabay has a great collection of HD stock videos, from simple 12-second clips to minutes-long shots of different sceneries. The best of all is that this video bank is always growing, since it has a global community of creative and talented individuals that regularly contribute to Pixabay. So here you will surely find the right clips for all of your projects. Now, although most of the videos are in HD, you will find a good selection of 4K resolution. Now, to get the video footage that you like, you can scroll all the way to the top of the page and enter any related keyword. For example, destroy water again. Now, to get the videos, you can click on this filter option and select videos. As always, the free results are below the sponsored videos. Now, for the water keyword, we got over 2,000 free videos. On Pixabay, you can also preview each video just by moving your mouse over it. And also, to be able to download the video and get more information on it, you just click on the thumbnail that you like. Now, you can check out the complete video by clicking on the play button, and you can see the license details on the right side of the video. As you see here, it's free for commercial use and there's no attribution required. You can also get the media type, the resolution, the duration, when it was uploaded, the category, the numbers of views, and the number of downloads. Now, on this website, all of the downloads have the same simple Pixabay license, which is basically the Creative Commons 0. And you can get more details by clicking on the Pixabay license link. You can see what is allowed with this license and what is not allowed. So when you find the videos that you like, you can just click on this green free download button on the right of the video. And you can click on the resolution in which you want the video to be downloaded. Then you just click on the download button and the video is automatically downloaded into your computer. You can also credit or donate to the video author if you like. But as we mentioned before, it is not required for any Pixabay video. And now it is time for our #1 best free stock video site, full of completely free stock footage, Pexels. Pexels began offering only free photos, but now has an enormous library of HD stock videos to ensure that every need is met. You will always find great clips for your YouTube videos, blogs, promotions, websites, or any kind of product you need to promote. This website has a pretty nice collection of time-lapse videos and plenty of mock-up stock videos that you can freely choose from. On the homepage, you will find trending free stock videos and recently added videos that you can use to get the most in-demand stock videos. Their collection is also under the CC0 license, so you can edit and use the videos for personal or commercial purposes without asking for permission or linking back to the original source. Now, most file formats are in MP4 with content mostly in HD, but every day they are getting more and more 4K resolution clips. But before we continue, I hope you're finding this video useful, and if you are, if you haven't already, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to get more tips, tools and tutorials for building your real and successful internet income. In other words, subscribe if you like money. And also hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know every time we upload a new video on how to make money online. Okay, now let's get back into this video. Now, to get the clips for a specific topic, you can come to the top part of the page and type in on the search bar the keyword that you like. For example, let's try water again. Now, by default, it will show you the results for images. So to get the videos, you just have to come to the top part of the page and click on the videos button. And you see that for water, we got over 4,000 videos. Below this, you can see that you have different related keywords which you can click on to refine your search. For example, let's click on beach. Now you get only the results related to beach video clips. On Pexels, you can also preview each video just by moving your mouse over it. And also, to get details on the video that you like, you can just click on the thumbnail. It will open up a page where you can click on this play button to get to see the complete video, and you can click on this info button to get all of the details related to the video. You can see the author, the statistics, and video information like the uploaded date, the resolution, the duration, the frames per second, and the aspect ratio. You can also see the license information, which is free to use and there's no attribution required. You can also click on this learn more about the license to get more details. On this page, you can see what is allowed for each and every one of these videos and what is not allowed, which basically says that you can use any one of these videos for personal and commercial projects with no attribution required. Now, when you find the video that you like, you can come to the top right side of the page and move your mouse over this pointing down arrow to get to choose the resolution of this clip that you want to download. So you select the one that you like, for example the full HD option, and then click on the free download button. If this pops up, you can click on allowed to download multiple files, and the video will automatically be downloaded into your computer. Here you'll get the option to give a donation to the creator if you like. But as I said before, it is not required for any of the videos that you download from Pexels.com. Now, if you want to get more free video websites, then write in the comments below more sites, so we can bring you a second video with other great alternatives for royalty-free footage websites. And by the way, did you know that you can use all of this free video footage to earn thousands of dollars every day online? If you want to learn exactly how to do it, then click and watch this next video to discover how to make money on YouTube step by step without investing any money. Remember, be different, take action. With that being said, thank you for watching and see you on the next video.